spaceflight operations facility. There's a lot of history inside these walls. That's why it's a National Historic Landmark. It was built as a direct result of President Kennedy's challenge to put an American on the moon.
Everyone who's a JPL knows they should come here next. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Okay, that was great. You guys are definitely in the top 10. I'm not going to watch a short video that talks about the Deep Space Network, how we communicate with all the spacecraft that were sent out there. And
in fact, it's about 100 feet in diameter, and for reference, the floor-to-ceiling of this high bay is about 70 feet in diameter. So it's a little bit bigger than this high bay is in terms of the size of this parachute when it's inflated. Now, to make sure that these devices work, we test them here at Earth before we have to rely on them at Mars.
It's kind of exciting. Also, next year we're going to launch a spacecraft called InSight to go to Mars. It's going to explore the core of Mars. The tagline on it is trying to find the heart of Mars. And later next year, we're going to put the five. That's really what has been done here in the past, what's going on now, what goes on in the future. So I hope you've had a great time. I hope the kids particularly have been asking lots of questions. This is a place about curiosity. Your curiosity, the curiosity of the scientists and the engineers who figure stuff out.
I have wondered, what is out there? How did it all come to be? And the most fundamental of all questions, is there life elsewhere, or are we alone? Answering these questions requires a journey to the planets and beyond. Our solar system coalesced out of a cosmic dust cloud some 4.5 billion years ago. Most of the dust condensed into the sun, which ignited into a nuclear furnace and burst into life as a star. The sun's internal fires provide the energy for almost every living process on Earth. Now we are exploring other places in our solar system where life might exist. Our search begins with Mercury, the planet closest to the sun.
4 billion years ago, the planet Mercury was struck by a 62-mile-wide asteroid, and it created a crater the size of Texas. That's just one example of